Houston, we have a problem. My washing machine stopped working about 4 days ago, and I have to do wash today, so let's see if we can figure it out. Let's check it out. So I have a little wash area just outside here. I've got a little washing machine, and there she is, all tried and true. So the first thing I think I'll do is I'll spray some bugs. So let's get the old Bygone going. Get everything kind of not so happy around here. Let that sit for a little bit. I'm not too happy now. I'm trying to pull it back a little bit. There's anything living underneath it. So let's see here. Alright, so we'll turn it this way. Now I'll just disconnect the water. So the cool thing is there seems to be a quick removal safety cover, so I shouldn't need any tools to get at it. That's a plus. So see the cover here? Looks like it's just held on. Well, it's got two screws, and this cover comes right off. Now here's the filter that you need to make sure that you pull out and clean. If your water starts running low, clean this dude, blow it up. All right, so we need one Phillips screwdriver. All right, there's a little tight, Guten tight. Oh, they're real tight. I gotta put this down. So just make some noise, make sure anything's in there is coming out. Make some noise. All right, so I tipped this dude on its side. We got to get to the bottom of it to access the belt. Looks like there's a quick release cover. So we'll just pull this dude up. Let's see if we can get at this. Set this down here. Figure out how this thing wants to pull out here. Let's see. How does this thing pull out? Stop right there, okay. All right, and there's the belt. Perfect. Now, how do we tighten it? See it, you guys? There's the belt right there. What happens is it's just too loose. It still looks okay. It's just too loose, so how do we take up the slack? Look, it looks to be an adjuster right here. See it? So I'll loosen it. Let's see if we can tighten it up. All right, looks to be a 13 millimeter. So we have to loosen it, see if we can take the slack out. If not, we got to get another belt. Now, these belts are going to be special size, which could be very difficult to find. And they could be special orders, so see if we can tighten it. Maybe get a belt number off of it and see if we can find another belt while we're at it. Get some use out of this so we can get the wash done, and then we'll get another belt coming. Let's see if we can get the slack out of this dude. There, maybe it's moving a little bit. Ooh, look at that. It's going to work. It's going to work, you guys. I'm excited. Cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's not super tight, but I think it's going to work. All right. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Live to wash another day. Awesome. That's gonna work out beautiful. There's no slack in there. That's great. I'm excited now. All right, you guys. That'll get me a few more washes out of there before I get another belt. I'm just gonna clean some of this crap out of here. All this stuff doesn't belong inside of a machine. It's not gonna benefit if you got things growing and hanging in there. So try to clean it up best you can. And that'd be perfect, but any little bit's gonna help. Just get a little quickie. It's gonna get dirty out here. It is outside. It's been outside for 5-6 years, but do what you can. All right, so this is my belt. M215. Brand V belt. See any other numbers on here. It's gonna get the maiden voyage here. See how it does. So what it does first, it just kind of moves the clothes around, checks the water height sensor, and I suspect everything should be okay. Yeah, now that that filter's clean, look at how fast the water comes out now. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to add a little soap to the mix here. So the clothes weren't getting very clean for a long time, and I suspect what was happening is that belt was just slipping and nothing was really spinning out of the wash. So yeah, now we know what's wrong. I think it's going to be a good day. There we go. Working wonderfully. That's what we want. See you next time.
Hey, Vern.